high school gym. Yeah.
Really good soccer.
Well, yeah, my daughter was she played soccer in high school. My son and I always kid her about it. But someone now is taking out that she gets this. I could play it. Yeah. I play it fine.
Well, baseball, we have 80% of baseball is more.
I grew up playing. I can remember when I was a kid. A lot of foreign people around. Weak kids moved in. They were playing. So this year.